All right, so it's been a few months since the Windows 10 end of life deadline, and I'm still seeing people concerned with upgrading their unsupported computers from Windows 10 to the latest version of Windows 11. So I guess the question is, can you still do this? Can you still easily update an older computer with unsupported hardware to the latest version Windows 11? The answer is yes, and today we'll look at the easiest method to do this. So let's get to it. Okay, so firstly, we'll need to go grab the latest Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. Head over to their official website, then scroll down until you see Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Select Windows 11 from the drop-down, and then Confirm. Select your desired language and click Confirm. Now, click 64-bit download. The ISO may take a few minutes to download, depending on your internet, so be patient. After our Windows 11 download is complete, open up your Downloads folder. Here we want to right-click on the ISO file and select Mount. This creates a virtual drive on your computer from the Windows 11 ISO file. Take note of the drive letter your drive was issued. We'll need this later. Now, we need to open an elevated command prompt. To do this, type CMD in your search bar and then click Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, we'll want to type the drive letter from our mounted drive. Our drive letter was D, so we'll type D: and hit Enter. Now we have a super simple command to type to kick off this Windows 11 install. I'll put this command in the video description so you can copy it easily. After you've typed the command and verified the spelling, hit Enter. Okay, now the Windows 11 install process will begin. I like to change how the setup does updates, so I check Not Right Now. Accept the license terms. And here, you'll select what you want to keep or not keep. If you're not provided with the option to keep all of your files, settings, and apps, then you may have an issue with your current Windows 10 OS, or you may have possibly picked an install language that is different than the one you currently have installed. If you get hung up here, drop me a comment and we'll work through it together. All right, if you're happy with all of the settings here, click Install and let it go to work. I did speed this part up for the video, but the overall upgrade only took about 20 minutes. Once the final stages of the upgrade is complete, you'll be staring at your new Windows 11 desktop. And if we check the installed version, you'll see that it's the latest release at 25H2. Another question we get is, will Windows 11 on unsupported hardware get Windows updates? And currently, the answer is yes. Now, will Microsoft stop this in the future? Maybe, but I doubt it. As you can see, it pulled a few available updates and applied this with no issue. So it does look like we can still upgrade to Windows 11 on that older unsupported computer of yours in 2026. Again, if you hit any snag or issues, feel free to drop me a comment and we'll try to assist. I hope this video helped you. If so, please pass it along to someone else that may find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.